Hi everyone, I'm Sung from the TheQiFlow team. In this video, I'm going to teach you in a clear and simple way how to calculate your own KUA number and explain why most of the KUA number calculators you find online are wrong. What is a KUA number? The KUA number comes from Feng Shui, also known as the 8-mansion school, one of the major classical systems of Feng Shui. It originated from ancient Chinese texts such as Huangdi Zhaijing, the Yellow Emperor's Classic of Residences, and Best Hai Mingjing, the Bright Mirror of 8 Houses. This system believes that every person is born with a specific life trigram called the KUA number, which determines whether you belong to the East group or the West group, and which directions are lucky or unlucky for you. If your KUA number is 1, 3, 4, or 9, you belong to the East group. Your lucky directions are mainly in the East, such as East, Southeast, South, and North. Your bed, your desk, and your main door should ideally face one of these directions. You are also more connected with the wood and fire elements. You can wear natural materials like sandalwood, turquoise, cinnabar, or red agate, and decorate your space with green or red tones to keep your energy aligned. If your KUA number is 2, 6, 7, or 8, it's the opposite. You belong to the West group. Your lucky directions are West, Northwest, Southwest, and Northeast. You are in harmony with metal and earth elements. Use white, gold, or yellow in your space, and wear metal or stone jewelry to stabilize your personal energy. Now, how do you calculate your own KUA number? First, calculate your base number. This part is the same for everyone. Take the last 2 digits of your birth year and add them together. For example, if you were born in 1996, you add 9 plus 6, which equals 15. Since 15 is still 2 digits, add them again. 1 plus 5 equals 6. 6 is your base number. If someone was born in 2000, 0 plus 0 equals 0, so the base number is 0. Got your base number? Great, now the next step depends on when you were born, before 2000, or in and after 2000. If you were born before the year 2000 and you are male, use 10 minus your base number. My base number is 6, 10 minus 6 equals 4, so my KUA number is 4. If you were born before 2000 and you are female, add 5 to your base number. For example, if your base number is 8, 8 plus 5 equals 13. Since 13 is greater than 9, add the digits together again. 1 plus 3 equals 4. Your KUA number is 4. When the century changes, the universal energy pattern shifts. So for people born in and after the year 2000, the formula also changes. If you are male, use 9 minus your base number. If you are female, use 6 plus your base number. If the result is greater than 9, keep adding the digits until you get a single number. That final number is your KUA number. All done. Great, now, some of you might have calculated a 5. In Feng Shui, there is no KUA number 5. The number 5 represents the center and has no direction. So if you are male and get 5, change it to 2. If you are female and get 5, change it to 8. Now let me explain why most online KUA number calculators are wrong. Remember when I said to add the last 2 digits of your birth year? In Feng Shui, the year doesn't start on January 1st of the Western calendar. It starts with the solar term called Li Chan, or the start of spring, from the traditional Chinese solar calendar. Every year's true energy shift begins at the start of spring, not on New Year's Day or Lunar New Year. It usually happens in the first 2 months of the year. For example, in 1997, the start of spring was on February 4th. So people born before February 4th, 1997, actually belong to the previous year's energy, 1996. You should calculate using 9 plus 6 instead of 9 plus 7. Only those born on or after February 4th belong to the 1997 energy. If you were born in January, February, or early March, your KUA number might be completely wrong if you didn't check this. That's the biggest mistake in almost every online calculator. They simply use your birth year without checking the start of spring date. Sounds complicated? Don't worry. We built a fully accurate KUA number calculator at TheQiFlow.com. Go to our homepage, enter your birth date and gender, and it will automatically find the exact start of spring for your year and give you your true, correct KUA number. May your chi be full of life and always in harmonious flow.